to produce and sell the product as a businessman, first I have to identify what customer wants. So customers, what they are required, customer is the key. The expectation of the customer, what is the requirement of the customer is the most important. Based on customers' requirements, we have to design the product. While designing the product, we can identify how much the cost involved to produce the product. After identifying the cost, we can fix the selling price so that we can add some profit. Thereafter, we can fix the selling price. So, customers' requirements, based on that, we are going to design the product. While designing the product, we can be in the position to know how much the cost involved to produce or design the product. Add some profit, so desired selling price we can get. It's a traditional way in which we have to follow to produce and sell the product or reach the product to the customer. But in modern trend, the strategy has been slightly changed. Customers' requirement, that is the starting point. There is no change. What customer want, that only we can be the person to produce and sell the product. After identifying the requirement of the customer, then what could be, how much they can be the person to afford to pay. So here we are going to identify the selling price itself, how much they are ready to pay for that. You need that product, for that how much you are ready to pay. After identifying how much they can be the person to pay, out of which I need a guaranteed profit of this much. Balance is equal to cost. Based on the cost, we are going to design the product. While doing the design, we can have the cost reduction also due to economy of scale or due to various phases. We may going to reduce the cost. That cost saving design or cost saving also we can be the person to enjoy. So first, what customer want we have to identify. Then based on that we are going to fix the selling price. After fixing the selling price, we can identify the profits. Then after removing the profits, required profit you have to identify. After removing the profit, balance is equal to cost. In that cost we are going to design. For that cost only we are going to design the product. Thereafter, during the phase of production, cost reduction also possible. We can be the person to enjoy the benefit of the savings in cost. So this is the manner in which modern way of the strategy with respect to producing and fixing the cost, to producing the product and fixing the cost. Now, the first one is called traditional way, traditional approach to produce and sell the product. If you see, few products, or for example, suppose you are going to airport. Then nowadays, that too you are going along with your spouse. Nowadays, airports and all, mini mall only, shopping complex only. At least 1 hour before you should supposed to be there. So 1 hour waiting time will be there. During the waiting time, and window shopping, you may going to start with window shopping because so many shops will be there. Just for the purpose of sake of visiting, we'll go. And after entering into the shops, by way of attractive design and a display, again we'll go for the purpose of getting some knowledge. What would be the price of the product? Suppose you are going along with the spouse. The handbag shop is there. They know, irrespective of the number of handbags, they won't set satisfaction. Again and again, the chapel, dress, material, handbags and all, some craze. So they want to dump the product. After entering into the sale, the men's criteria for purchase is different from women. Girls going into the product, purchase the product mean so many criteria will be there. The color of the product. Suppose we are going to purchase saree or dress. First, they will see the color. Thereafter, design. Base, like residential status, basic condition and alternative must conditions are there. Same manner. Whatever the color they want to purchase, the basic condition, similar type of color should not be there. Already they should not supposed to purchase. To that extent we can accept. Another condition, must condition, the similar type of color or design, whoever she knows, that people should not supposed to have. That's the must condition. It's very difficult. So that's the reason Portix and all came. Okay, unique design. ஒரே ஒரு color தான், ஒரே ஒரு product தான். So that there is no comparison also. So after that only they will buy the product. But GEMS criteria and all very simple. First they will verify the price tag. Thereafter only selection process will be there. They'll have the budgeted price. In that amount, what all the products are there, that only they want. Including GST, this is what the total amount I can pay. So the selection criteria may going to vary. We enter into what? Handbag shop. That too in airport and all. You know, very nominal price only they will sell. Am I right? Just one handbag is 5,900 only, sir. The only going to get the irritation. Immediately we'll say what? Instead of spending for 5,999, the similar amount nearby local shop we can go or local market, 4 to 5 product we can purchase. But in spite of that, very difficult for them to convince. No, this type of quality we won't get. They all become quality experts. Many girls after one particular stage, they become expert with respect to quality of the product. Expert with respect to predicting something. I told that day itself, no, I predicted some subconscious, that and all, they'll become some magician. So many, so inherent some quality they will develop. And left with no choice, you have to accept also. We know what is going on, but in spite of that, yes, then only Bhojan also equally important. No? Then, instead of going to the handbag shop, next shop, suppose you are going. Dress they are selling. It may be what? Zero shirt or Peter and Glam. Or the next shop, watch they are selling. Watch shop is there. Rado watch. After seeing the watch, the design is very nice. I'm going to ask what is the price of the product. The 2,70,000 only, sir. Again, we'll say what? No, instead of purchasing the product here, we can buy some other place so that we can be the person to get the cheaper rate. Any branded shop you go and visit, even at the airport, the sales personnel will give the advice to us. No, sir. Wherever you are going to purchase, the price of the product remains same. It's a branded product, sir. But if you want to purchase coffee, outside they are going to sell 25 rupees or 20 rupees mean. Inside the airport, 100 rupees or plus will be there. So even any edible item, any product, substantial difference will be there. 4-5 times higher price, premium price will be there. But branded product, if you are going to see, maybe dress, it may be what watch, branded product they will sell. No, sir, price may remain same. Wherever you are going to wherever you are going to purchase, the price of the product remains same. How it is possible? If you want to create the brand of the product, overnight we can't the person to create the brand. Just like that, I can't the person to fix the premium price also. It need some considerable time. We have to create some image of that particular product or goodwill for the purpose of our company's goodwill also you have to increase. Suppose you want to purchase the car. If you want to buy the car, branded car is much more costly when compared to normal car. Normal car, they are ready to sell for 10 lakhs rupees means. Instead of normal car, if you go for the branded, if you want to purchase BMW or Benz, they will start with what? 60 lakhs or 70 lakhs. Out of which you can purchase an apartment itself. But few people, if they want to purchase the brand, they'll go behind the brand only, irrespective of the price. And Just like that, another person cannot the person to create one more company or one more product. I will also produce the car and I will also sell as if it's a BMW. I will also fix the price called 70 lakhs or 80 lakhs. Just like that, not possible. It needs some considerable time. Price fixation plays a vital role. So many other criteria are there. Here, the first step before that, create a project charter. The second stage is called, the step is called obtain management sponsor. Third one, obtain a budget. Next, assign a strong team manager. Then enroll full-time participant. And use project management tool. These are all the steps or stages with respect to implementation. What are all the steps are there for implementation? Implementation. Create a project charter. Obtain management sponsor. Obtain budget. Assign strong team manager. Enroll full-time participant. And use project management tool. These are all one various stages. So now we are in target costing. Theory with respect to target costing. In traditional approach, the first step is create customers requirement is the first criteria. Based on that, you have to design the product. While designing the product, we can be the person know what are the cost involved, and we are going to fix the price so that we can fix the price. We are going to fix the profit. Based on that, we are going to fix the selling price. It's a traditional approach. The modern approach called target costing. In target costing, what customer want that we have to identify. Then we have to fix the targeted selling price. How much they are ready to pay. Accordingly, you have to fix the price. It's called the targeted selling price. Then targeted profit we have to identify. The balance is called targeted cost. Based on that cost only, we are going to design the product. Cost those. We are going to design purely based on how much the cost involved for that. Then doing the designing the product, producing the product over the phases, we can be the position to get the cost reduction also. The savings in cost also company going to get enjoyed. Just like that, we can't the position to implement. Various stages are there with respect to implementation of target costing. First one is create a project charter, obtain management sponsor, obtain a budget, assign strong team manager, enroll full-time participant, and use project management tool. Create a project charter. With respect to project charter, the project charter is a document, because before you are going to do everything, documentation is important. That should be approved by management. In that project charter, we have to mention mission, the goals, etc. Then we have to obtain management sponsor. With respect to management sponsor, it's nothing but funding. Funding, obtaining funding from the top management, then only we can be the person to execute the work based on the projects that we have to get the fund from the top management. Third one, obtain budget. Here budget represent formal allocation of money, the fund we have collected. So whatever the fund we have collected, that we have to allocate a rational basis. That is called budgeting. Next, assign strong team manager. So we need team leader or manager or person in charge to execute the work. He has to bring the group together. His duty, the team manager duty is, he has to bring the group together and make us to focus the key objects. He should be in the position to know how to get the work from others to achieve the goal of the organization. The team leader, the team manager should be a skilled person to do all the work. So, and he should be in the position to manage any hiccup to achieve the object. These are all the role with respect to our team leader or team manager. Here, especially in India, getting team leader is very easy, but to do the work, we need full-time participant. Full-time participant represent the worker to execute the work, to do the work. He has to devote full-time. Here, full-time represent within the industry or the same company. His duty only to handle that particular job. That is called full-time. You know, in our audit firm also, you may going to assign, you may have the more than one audits will be there. But to achieve the mission with respect to target costing in the industry, if I am going to appoint you or the one person going to assign the work to one person, that duty, that person should be full-time, he has to concentrate or focus with respect to achieve the target costing system. That's called one full-time worker. Devote full-time for the purpose of achieving the target costing system. So single focus should be there. So that we can achieve the success. And last one is allow us to use project management tool to fulfill that object. The organization has to allow us to use the project management tool. What all the tools are there? For the purpose of achieving the goal, company should allow so that success will be easy. These are all various stages with respect to implementation of target costing. Frequently asked question. Create a project charter, obtain a management sponsor, obtain budget, assign strong team manager, enroll full-time participant, use project management tool. These are the 6 objectives of six order stages with the implementation of target costing. Then, why we have to implement? What could be the advantages of target costing? Advantages generic in nature,
Sir,
for the purpose of general in nature, generic in nature. For the
sir, sorry to disturb you, sir. Waiting room.
No.
Sorry to disturb you, sir.
No problem. So, the first advantage is survival because of the competitive environment. Competition is high. If you want to survive, we have to follow, we have to achieve the reduction in cost. Then, top to bottom, commitment. Top to bottom commitment, we can be the potential. It helps to cost reduction to meet the target. Then we can use the management control system for the purpose of achieving the object. Then we can plan the cost well in advance. We have some target. We can be the person to what we have to reach the target well in advance. We should know. We can identify how much the cost for the purpose of the particular project or the product. Employees awareness also possible. We can identify non-value added activity. We can have them partnership with our raw material supplier. We can select lower cost value added activity. We need how to encourage the value added activity. Which one is the lowest cost? That we can be the person to select. These are all advantages with respect to target costing. Next. What could be the impact of target costing in controlling the cost or price fixation? Targeted costing, consider the price, what are the changes, and how much we can be in the position to be charged. charged by the company. Life cycle cost also we are going to consider before we are going to fix the target costing. Life cycle cost we have to consider. If there is a gap between target cost and how much the cost we are going to incur or expected one, we can identify the ways to minimize the cost. What are the other ways are there to reduce the cost? Then we can have better comparison for the purpose of cost reduction. So, with all the manner, we can have the better control over the cost, or we can fix the price also. So, achieve the same. Here we have seen customers' requirement in modern system. Thereafter, target selling price you are going to fix. Targeted profit will come. Then targeted cost. Accordingly, you have to design the product. Cost reduction may be possible. Here, before you are going to implement the same, we have to consider the control points. There are 3 control points are there in target costing. One is principal control point. Second one, point of go or non-go decision. And third one is timer point. Principal control point, point of go or non-go decision, and a timer point. Principal control point. What is the main object? We should not forget the objects. Without forgetting the object, we have to fix all the stages in the target costing. The second one is called point of go or non-go decision. Point of go or non-go decision. In which particular point of time we have to stop, that we have to identify. Whether you have to proceed or no need to proceed, that we have to identify. Or for example, suppose somebody is approaching me, sir, the Premier Academy, PAN PA, we can be the person to reach all the customer, or during the COVID season anyway. Geographical location boundaries or restriction is not the matter. We can reach all the customers, all the potential customers. So we are from the marketing agency. So we'll have the tie-up agreement so that we can be the person to sell the product in all over India, PAN India, PAN PA. The principle or the object may okay. When whether you have to go further or not, point of go or not go, that non-go we have to identify. Or for example, suppose if I'm going to do the advertisement to reach more customer about our Premier Academy, if I'm going to do the advertisement in Hindu paper in Chennai, will it be worth it or not worth it? Good morning, all of you.
So it will be worth it.
Worth one. Okay.
Worth it.
The same strategy, if I'm going to follow in Andhra, okay, Andhra also I want, because PAN India, all over India, I want to capture. If I'm going to do the same strategy in Andhra, will it worth it or not worth it?
What, sir?
No, sir.
New customers also, new audience also are responding.
Worth only, sir.
Worth it or not?
Yes,
That
sir.
we have to change that strategy. Suppose rural place we are going to what reach, because all the place the product potential customers will be there. Then they may give the advice. Better we can be in the position to go by way of local language instead of what English. One place the language English may be what prestigious for the purpose of giving the advertisement, so that we can reach the potential candidate or potential people. The same strategy may not apply for other place. Place like what in Tamil Nadu, tier 2, tier 3 city, instead of going by way of Hindu, better we can go by of Dinamalar or Dinatandi, or they may want to what change the pattern of advertisement. Same manner in Andhra, in local language we are going to give, the reach will be more. If you see, advertisement with respect to in Andhra Pradesh and all, if you come across, local radios also they will do the advertisement, or cable TV also they show the what advertisement of the coaching center. The same strategy if I'm going to follow in Chennai, our grade will come down. One place that is the weightage will going to increase. The same strategy may not going to work in other place. Therefore, whether you have to go further or not, it's purely based on one place to another place depending upon the potential customer only. So, the control point we have to fix. First one is the object should be very clear, principal control point. Second one, point of go or non-go decision. Then how long we have to wait, or each and every sub-task we should have fixed some time. That is called timer point. So these are all the 3 control points are there: principal control point, point of go or non-go decision, and timer point. The concept-based theory question, first exam they ask, target costing is the requirement of the question valid or invalid, you have to say. Target costing system is not applicable to a monopoly market.
Valid.
Valid.
Valid, sir.
Valid, sir.
It's a valid one. Another one.
Oh.
Target costing is ignored. Non-value added activity.
Valid.
It's valid or invalid?
Valid.
Yes. While fixing the target costing, we are going to consider only value added. Therefore, it ignores. So either direct theory question also possible, or this type of concept-based theory question also you're asking. Similarly, we come across in cost reduction as well as cost control also.